Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking the time every day to stop back at my channel. Okay, today I have a Hobby Lobby haul and a little Joann's haul. And the reason I have these hauls is because I ran into Hobby Lobby and they have 90% off of their Easter stuff. They didn't have a large selection, but they did have a nice selection of what they did have. So I will show you that right now. I spent all of I believe it was $7. So the first things I got were these cute little, oh, they're in here. They are so stuck in here. They hate when this happens. Okay, these are the cute little pearls. I have 2 of them, but on the ends of them, these little ones, they are little rabbit heads. Aren't they cute? So I got these for next year for a wreath I'll be doing. I'm gonna put them over here with my stuff. And then I got 3 of these, as you can see. And these are those cotton balls, and they are in the pink. So they did have the green ones, but I chose the pink ones because I'm actually going to be doing a wreath this week, and I'm going to use one of them for my wreath. But these were originally $7.99, and I got them for 80 cents each. So I mean, it was well worth the wait. I almost picked these up before, but I kept putting them down. So I'm kind of glad that I did. So I got them for 80 cents, and these were 49 cents. These were 49 cents, and I got two of them. So they were not 49 cents, they were 40 cents. So it was 90% off. So I was really happy that I did go in, because I just ran in just to see what they had. Everything I got was on clearance, and what I didn't get, I used my coupon. So I am going to show you this. I got this Yarnology, and it is a pom-pom maker. I don't have one, so I was really excited about getting this. So I am going to be watching some videos on how to make these. So I thought it was perfect timing because I have the embellishment box that I have. So I'll make some pom-poms and give some away. So some yarn ones. I picked up the yarn. Their yarn is 30% off right now, and this is a DIY yarn. It was 99 cents, but had 30% off. So got 2 of these ribbons. These are 25 cents each, and they are in green. So I just picked them up. And then I saw these little iron-on appliques, but I'm not going to be using them for that. I'm going to be using them for my embellishment boxes. So aren't they cute? They were 50 cents each. So, And then that is that for Hobby Lobby. Now for Joann's. Hi, Tormy. Okay, so for Joann's, these were 70% off, and these are by Jelly Bean, and they are felt flowers. They are really, really cute. So I picked them up. However, they were like outside, and the box that they were in was like wet and stuff. So I don't know why they left it outside, but everything was wet. So these were the only nice looking ones they had. They had a ton of them, and it's a shame because they were all wet and yucky. So so this is also pretty cool. These are adhesive foam squares, 700 pieces, 2 sheets of them. So, and it says 2 sizes, so I'm just going to open them quick because I'm not sure why I thought they were all small. Because I really need the small ones. Let me see if I can get these out. I cannot. So one that they're showing you is tiny, and then the other ones are like a medium size. So these are really tiny, and the other ones are like a medium size, which is a bummer because I really wanted them all to be. I should have read it. And this was $6.47, but also they had I had a 20% coupon off for everything, including sales items. So I got this stamp and die set. It says "Live Your Dreams," and it's a birdhouse and the birds. So the die for the birdhouse is really pretty cool. I was looking at that. I'm going to be making a card with this one. And then again, guys, I picked myself up another magazine. And I'm really excited about this. I'm going to be doing a magazine opening, sharing, and it says 259 pieces gift set, fabulous cards for friends or your loved ones. So again, it has 32 designer papers in it, 12 decoupage sheets, 123 toppers and mod fits, 15 stylish stamps, 75 useful sentiments, 2 embossing folders. So that is really a good deal. So I cannot wait to open this to see it with you guys. So I'm going to be doing that later on today. So, alright guys, that is my little itsy bitsy haul from Joann's and Hobby Lobby. Again, we are on like a money crunch, so I'm really not spending a lot of money in places like the craft stores. I'm trying to stay away from them and only pick up really what I need. You know, I really didn't need any of this. I did need these though. So, but you know, it was worth going in, especially for the things I can use for next year. Like that was a really good deal. 80 cents and 40 cents. I mean, you can't beat that, you know. So, alright guys, I'm going to let you all go. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please like, share, and if you like any of these types of hauls, please let me know by subscribing. Alright, and thumbs upping. And leave me a comment on what you found in the wonderful, wonderful world of crafting stores. Alright guys, like I say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing. And together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.